Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial, we'll be exploring the delicious world of tandoori chicken, a dish that has won the hearts of food lovers around the globe. So let's dive into the art of creating mouth-watering flavors with the classic tandoori chicken recipe. So first, let's talk about the ingredients needed for this recipe. So you'll need 8 to 9 pieces of chicken legs, and what I'm going to do is I've just washed that and I'm going to score that. So I'm going to add in 9 tablespoons of yogurt, half tablespoon of garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika powder, 2 teaspoons of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of food colour which is red, 2.5 teaspoons of salt, 3 to 4 tablespoons of Shan tandoori masala, add lemon juice and a few drops of oil and give that a good mix. I'm now going to add the chicken pieces into the marinade and just coat those well. I've now marinated all the chicken, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this marinate for about 2 hours, and for the best results leave it overnight. It's been 2 hours since we've marinated the chicken. Now what I'm going to do is place the chicken pieces into the tray, and I've preheated that oven on 180 degrees 10 minutes before we put those in. Okay, so it's been about 35 minutes. I'm just going to check in onto the chicken, and as you can see, the chicken is cooking nicely. It's soft, tender and juicy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to place a grill rack on top of my cooker, place it on low heat and add the chicken pieces onto here so they sizzle away. I'm just going to flip those around and make sure they're cooking nicely on there. And what I've done is, from the marinade that we had left over previously, I've just used that and coated the chicken with that on top to give it that extra kick of flavour. I've added some chopped coriander into there to give it that ultimate tandoori chicken look. And guys, can I just say, this smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to cook this on here for about 2 to 3 minutes. As we all know, tandoori chicken is best enjoyed with a side of fluffy naan or basmati rice. You can even have it with some raita or a yogurt-based green salad, or a refreshing mango lassi for the perfect meal. Wow, look at that. Now this looks like a restaurant style tandoori chicken actually being made. Let's get this served up and I'll tell you exactly how good this actually is. And there we have it, tandoori chicken. A must-try recipe. So the first bite for my beautiful viewers, I'm just going to tuck into here now. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. That tastes so good. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe, like and share, and stay tuned for my upcoming recipes.